A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Now we are in lecture number 22 from the chapter Lines in English in 9th class mathematics, exercise 5.2, question number 2. Let's read out question number 2 in figure. Figure is given. If AB is parallel to CD, if AB is parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF, CD is parallel to EF. It is written in the question that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. There are three horizontal lines. AB is parallel to CD and then CD is parallel to EF. We can say that all these three lines are parallel to each other. AB is parallel to CD, EF is parallel to CD. Means these two lines are parallel to the same line. That means all the three lines are parallel to each other. This concept has been given by the great mathematician, famous mathematician, great geometrician, who is also known as the father of the geometry, and his name is Euclid. Euclid has given this concept about these lines, about these parallel lines. Two lines AB and EF are parallel to the same line according to the question. That means all the three lines are parallel to each other. Suppose I will give an example here. I have already given an example in the online class. Suppose A, B, and C, these are three persons. These are three persons. A, B, and C. These are three persons. If I say that A is brother of B, what is the relation between A, B? These are brothers. B is brother of C. A is brother of B. B is brother of C. So what is the relation between A and C? What is the relation between A and C? A is brother to B, B is brother to C. And what is the relation between A and C? These two are also brother. They have a relation of brothership. Okay, can we say that all these three are brothers to each other? Yes, definitely. All these three persons are brothers to each other. Similar is the case with these three lines. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. That means all the three lines are parallel to each other. Okay. And also we have Y ratio Z. Y ratio Z is equal to 3:7. Y ratio Z is equal to 3:7. That means Y has 3 parts and Z has 7 parts. Means Z is bigger angle than Y. Y is smaller angle than Z, but we don't know the exact measure of these angles. But ratio is known. The ratio between Y and Z is 3:7, but we don't know the measure of these two angles. But we have a point. If we find the sum of these two angles, then definitely we will find what is Y and what is Z. And with the help of these two, we can find X. We have to find X. We can find X. If we know Y, we are definitely able to find X. If we know Z, we are definitely there to find X. So out of these two, if any one angle we know, then we know the measure of X. Okay, let's move and first to write what is given to us. What is given to us? Given we have AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. Okay. Is anything else given in the question? Yes, also. In online class, I have forgotten there to write the ratio of y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. You should make correction in your notebook. Y ratio z is equal to 3 ratio 7, or 3 is to 7. It is also given. Now what we have to find, we have to find simply x. But y and z are also not known. Let us try to find out y and z. How can we find y and z? We should know their sum. At least we should know their sum. We should know their sum. Their ratio is known to us. Their ratio is 3 is to 7. But we don't know their sum. Let us try to find out what is their sum. Okay. We will write now. We will take x and y. X plus y. Definitely they are 180 degree. Their sum is 180 degree. Can you tell me how x plus y is 180 degree? How can we say that x plus y is equal to 180 degree? Is there any reason? Try to think what is the reason behind x plus y is equal to 180. Definitely there is a reason. These form a pair of consecutive interior angles and their sum is always supplementary. Lines are parallel. Therefore, the sum of a pair of consecutive interior angles, or we can say a pair of co-interior angles, are supplementary. That means their sum is 180. So in bracket we can write down sum of a pair of consecutive, or we can write co-interior angles. Okay. Why is there sum 180 degree? Because these two angles form a sum of a pair of co-interior angles, and that we know they are supplementary. That is 180 degree. This will be our equation. First. Remember, x plus y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 180. Now, definitely there is a relation between x and z also. They are equal. In fact, they are equal. X is equal to z. Why? There is a reason. There is an axiom, or there is a theorem behind it, that x is equal to z. Let me to write x is equal to z. Now, x is equal to z. I have written x is equal to z. X is equal to z. What is the reason behind x is equal to z? These form a pair of alternate interior angles. We know that lines are parallel. So this is a transversal. So we can write x and z. These are alternate interior angles. These form a pair of alternate interior angles, and they are equal because lines are parallel. So we can write x is equal to z, because these are a pair of, or simply we can write alternate interior angles. Okay, this will be our second equation. This is second equation. Now if we see equation first and second, from equation first and second we get, see, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. This is our first equation. X is equal to z. This is our second equation. Is there anything common between equation first and equation second? Yes, definitely. In equation second there is x. In equation first there is x. So we will replace this x in equation. First we will replace this x with z. So instead of x we will write z plus y is equal to 180. Z plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now what implies is, do we know z or y? Do we know z or y? Do we know any of these angles? No, we do not know what is y and what is z, but we know, we even don't know their sum. Do we know their sum? Yes, y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Their sum is known to us, it is 180 degree, and their ratio is also known to us, that is 3:7. So in place of y we can write 3a, and in place of z we can write 7a, because z has 7 parts plus y has 3 parts. We can write as 3a is equal to 180 degree. Instead of z we have used 7a, instead of y we have used 3a. Now why 7 and why 3? Z has 7 parts in the ratio. If we see the ratio, z has 7 parts in the ratio and y has 3 parts in the ratio. So instead of z we have written here 7, and instead of y we have written 3, but a is with them because z is not only equal to 7 degree, it's only 7 parts. 7 parts means still z is unknown. Yes, it has 7 parts, but it is unknown to us. So we will, whenever anything is unknown to us, we use variables. So we will write 7a here, and instead of y we will write 3a. Try to find their sum. This is 10a is equal to 180 degree, and that gives a is equal to 180 degree divided by 10. That implies a is equal to 18 degree. A is equal to 18 degree. A is equal to 18 degree. Now we can find z. If we find z, we definitely know x, because these are alternate interior angles. So now z is equal to 7a. Z is equal to 7a. We can write implies z is equal to 7 into 18. That implies z is equal to 7 into 18. It is 126. Yes, z is equal to 126 degree. Now z is known to us. Yes, there is a relation between z and x, that they are equal. That means x is also 126. Now we can write, we have to find x. X is equal to z. Here it is, x is equal to z. In equation second, x is equal to z, but z has been found out as 126 degree. We can write x is equal to 126 degree. We had to find out x. We have found x as 126 degree because x is equal to z. Z has been equal to 126 degree. Z has been calculated in the form of 7a. 7a because it has 7 parts. Okay, y को ढूंढने की जरूरत ही नहीं है अब, है ना? तो z हमने ढूंढा, फिर वही वैल्यू x का भी निकला, because these are alternate interior angles. These have been proved in equation second here. Equation second. So question number 2 has also been solved. Try to practice it 2 or 3 times. Then it will be very good for you, because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.